The most basic rules in one-to-one ordering games, and all ordering games, are basic ordering principles. Those are the rules that tell us that the rabbit finished before the tortoise, or Henry's taller than Isaac. We represented those rules with dashes to indicate the relative order of the variables, and from those rules we could combine them to make larger ordering chains and make restrictions about where variables couldn't go. What we're going to talk about now are the other kinds of rules you'll likely see in one-to-one ordering games. Specifically, these are blocks, divisions, options, and arches. So blocks. We discussed how to show that one variable follows another variable at some point with dashes, but we're sometimes told that one variable immediately follows or immediately precedes another variable. In that case, we want to throw them together in a block represented by, well, a block. A block isn't restricted to 2 variables either. You could get a block of 3, 4, or even 5 variables. 4 and 5 blocks are pretty unlikely, but if you get that one, you better write that shit down. And you don't even need to know all the parts of a block. So for example, if you said Rachel is exactly 1 spot in line ahead of Chandler, you could write the block C space R, or even 2 spots, or even 3. Some blocks are defined by adjacency and not by an exact order, and that's okay too. If Chandler and Monica are next to each other, but you don't know which one is first or second, you make our familiar block, and then you throw this sort of like cool frowny face over it as a reversible arrow to show that it could go either way.